let's validate our XAMPP installation. Open your browser and type http://localhost/ in the address bar. If all went well with the XAMPP installation, then you should see the XAMPP splash page, inviting you to select your language. Do this by clicking your language, I'm selecting English, which brings up the XAMPP congratulations page. This tells us that we have successfully installed a web server on our machine, which can be used to host a website. The name of this server is localhost, and its website default page is index.php. At present, this default page, index.php, is just redirecting us to the congratulations page. Let's stay here a moment and look at some of the features of XAMPP. First, we can look at the status of our setup. This should look something like this, with at least MySQL database and PHP activated. On this demonstration system, I have several other services activated. Secondly, PHP info is a PHP script which reports all the settings for the PHP part of the installation. You can learn a lot from this, and we'll revisit some of the HTTP environment and header variables later in this course. Just scan down the list and notice that it's divided into sections and there's lots of information. Finally, PHP MyAdmin is a basic database management front end. It's basic in the sense that it's not a very pretty user interface, but don't be fooled by that. You can do anything you want with any MySQL database on your new web server. It also has the advantage of immediately reporting the SQL code for each action it performs. Let's bookmark this right now because we'll be using this quite a bit, although our aim is to eventually do everything using our own PHP code. So in your bookmarks, set this current page to a bookmark. PHP MyAdmin is convenient to get things started before we know enough PHP scripting to do everything. So let's move on now to looking at our editor, the Bluefish editor.